Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. 2 questions today. Number 1, do you want my videos to be more of a monologue where I come up with a topic and I talk about it and move on? Or do you want the videos to be more of a dialogue? You comment, you ask questions, you give suggestions, you give your point of view, I come back and we have a discussion. That's question 1. Now, with the smaller plane, I'll ask question 2. How long or how short do you want the videos to be? I've had some good interest with long ones, and I've had some better responses with short videos. So it's totally up to you. How's that for a shaving off of an older ECE plane with just the blade, no chip break? So that's the whole video for today. Monologue, dialogue. Longer videos, shorter videos. It's up to you. Leave your questions and comments down in the comment section and give it the thumbs up so I know that you were here and I know that you acknowledged the video, and I look forward to you on the next video. But in the meantime, head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.